Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Looking for a powerful solution to convert DBX emails into Gmail email service? If yes, download the 4 and 6 DBX converter software designed with special forensic features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Simple software interface is advantages of this utility. Tap on the Open button. Here you can see select Choose Folder or Choose File to browse email file from your system. We are choosing the Choose Folder option to browse email folder from system and then tap on Select Folder button. Now, software analyzes and previews all files and folders. Now, click the listed email folder. Now, click the email to view the message in the defined preview window. Users can preview the complete content of the email with all the details like subject, signature, and more. The software provides export option to convert EML emails into email files, email service, and document files. We are selecting Gmail option from the export option list. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. Create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The next is Skip Grayed Outlook folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your email account. Next is an Include Email Header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is Append to Default Folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to send, and more. It allows users to insert emails into default mail folders. Recovery Mode. Enable this option to repair corrupted email files. Enter the name of the folder that you want to create in Gmail account containing the restored Postbox emails files data. Fill the account details like email address and password of your Gmail account to migrate Postbox emails. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of Postbox emails conversion. You can also see the email count. Here you can see the migrated folder. Click on it. Click on the converted folder and you can see the migrated emails.